emergency stop and test buttons right throughout the plant. So we'll now hit the test button and the machine will automatically start up to test the system. So free cooling towers and chemical towers firing into gear, along with their water sprays. So all the main brushes starting up in sequence, so there's not too much load. Just fighting with the flies here, giving the Australian wave to keep the flies off. You can see at the top of the rear brush is a very special guide wheel made to hold the brushes away from the train to miss the mirrors, and when this starts to go around the back of the train, the sensors sense the position of it and retract the wheels on the air cylinder, allow the brush to come in and follow the train on the guide wheels at the bottom. Sensor systems on that arm, on the inside, also sensors further in, just got covered in spray, the rear brush is starting up. These brushes are shaped as are the front ones to match the shape of the front of the train. So up inside here we have two more sensors indicating the position of the arm operating the system suit. We also have a pulley and weight system to bring the arms in. Weights inside these tubes. Now have the alarm going to indicate the main high pressure spray and low pressure spray will start. Lots of water in that area. Likewise with the wax system, the last tower that applies the wax.